Feeling under the weather? Don't let a cough keep you down. Try these all natural soothing remedies. One, fix some hot tea and add a tablespoon of honey with a little splash of fresh lemon juice. It will do wonders. You can also boil some water, put in fresh ginger, and add a sprinkle of turmeric for another really good concoction. And then finally, try steam inhalation. And if you happen to have eucalyptus oil, add some of that to the water, and you will really, really tell a big difference. Let me know what your remedies are so we can share with everybody else.